Throughout history, humans have discovered Earth's treasures and the valuable minerals it contains. So they have worked on extracting and prospecting for them by various means. And in the midst of the scientific development and progress, Ajax has been working hard to produce the best devices in this field. Embodied in the advanced scientific system devices of mineral and void detection technology. Carried out through uncovering opposite electromagnetic currents and identifying distortions occurring in soil structure, which helps in mapping and obtaining graphic and digital reports of the soil in order to locate gold with extreme accuracy. Alpha. It is the world's first long-range sensing detection device to detect gold, treasures, and precious metals, coming with 2 integrated systems. Using technologies of long distances and up to 50 meters deep underground, and it works using the most accurate and advanced systems in this field, as it has high-capacity means and functions that enable the user to complete the prospecting process for their targets in the least time possible, with high-precision results. Electra. It is the modern scientific tool to detect precious targets, equipped with the most accurate modern advanced systems of high performance, specialized in detecting diamonds and gemstones underground, up to 100 meters deep. It has 2 integrated systems and has the appropriate modes and functions that enable the user to complete the prospecting process for their targets in the least time possible, producing high precision results. Gamma. It is the main tool for 3D ground scanning and imaging, using the most advanced systems to detect gold, minerals, and underground voids, as it works on high-level and modern electronic techniques and foundations. Moreover, it sets new concepts and broadens perspectives in the world of ground imaging devices, allowing its users to conduct geological prospecting and surveying operations in its widest ranges, along with all the necessary tools and applications to complete exploration operations with great success. Omega, the first geophysical and remote sensing detection device in the world to detect underground water and determine its locations. If you are a farmer or if your job is drilling wells, it gives you the best solution to eliminate water scarcity and random drilling problems, using 3 advanced systems which give you confidence in identifying types of water discovered, done by searching for their places directly, which saves your money, time, and a lot of troubles. Primero. It is a device of 9 advanced scientific systems: Smart Pulse, Spectrum Analyzer, Geophysical Search, GradioSmart, Live Scan, 3D Ground Scan, Manual Long Range Locator, Automatic Long Range Locator, Ionic Remote Sensing. Primero provides you with the ability to search and prospect for gold, minerals, buried treasures, voids, and groundwater, using its integrated systems of high-precision settings as well as access to accurate and detailed results, joining you on your explorational journey up until you reach your goal. Ajax, a different perspective in the world of metal detection.